Hello friends, welcome to the School of Python. My name is Piyush and I will take you through the world of Python. So why one should learn Python? It is because it is one of the most in-demand skill to have today, and it is consistently rated as the top programming language in the world in the last 5 years, and almost all the job portals are having Python as the most important skill to have. It is used in machine learning, artificial intelligence, website development, etc. And it is very developer friendly. Its syntax readability is very simple, and it's user friendly as well. It is used in almost all the applications like fraud detection, natural language processing, mobile application, e-commerce, visualization, etc. And some of the most important industries which rely on Python are banking, insurance, entertainment, sports, media, to name a few. And some of the biggest companies which are using Python for major chunk of their business are Google, Facebook, NASA, etc. This is the data taken from one of the job portal. If you see, the Python is right on the top, and the length of Python bar is the longest. So I think this is enough motivation to get you started to learn Python. In course, we are going to cover the following topic for Python. Python data will start from the basic, then Python data structure, some conditional statement like if-else condition and loops, some comprehension, then function, and some of the most important library like NumPy and Pandas. NumPy and Pandas are one of the most important library when it comes to do a machine learning or artificial language programming. And finally, but not the least, we will also cover a data visualization so you can prepare a beautiful graphs and charts.